Imagine a world where our clocks were set to Ujjain instead of Greenwich. Sounds surprising. Well, in ancient India, Ujjain was actually the timekeeper of the region. And today we'll dive into why this city was chosen and why its logic might even outshine Greenwich. We all know that time zones helps us standardize time around the world. But have you ever wondered why Greenwich in England is the standard? Well, it was mostly due to the British power in 19th century. But if we go back to the ancient India, there was another place that held this role. That was Ujjain. Ujjain, located almost exactly in the middle of India, was chosen for its perfect geographical positioning. Let's explore how this city was more than just a religious center and why it became an ancient hub for tracking time. First, let's look where Ujjain is. Ujjain lies near the Tropic of Cancer, which runs through the heart of India. This position gave Ujjain an almost equal amount of day and night throughout the year, and this balance made it natural choice for the tracking of time. Because of this central location, Ujjain could provide a stable time reference for people across the ancient India. Imagine a place where sunrise and sunset times were more predictable year round. This meant people across India could rely on Ujjain to stay in sync. And there is a spiritual connection too. Ujjain is home to the famous Mahakaleshwar temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas or sacred Shiva temples. Every morning, a unique ritual called Bhasma Aarti takes place just after sunrise. This ritual is performed at the crack of the dawn to honor Shiva as Mahakal, the Lord of Time. This ceremony was more than just a prayer. It helped people sync their activities to the natural rhythm of the day. In a way, Mahakaleshwar temple played a role similar to today's atomic clocks, keeping people in tune with time. But how did people actually calculate time in Ujjain? Ancient astronomers in Ujjain used advanced tools and their knowledge of the stars to map the movement of sun, moon, and planets. They even built observatories for precise observation. This system of timekeeping was remarkably accurate. In fact, Ujjain was key center for astronomy in ancient India, and scholars here created calendars that many people in India still use today. So why did Greenwich replace Ujjain as the world's time reference? It wasn't about logic or geography, it was about power. In 1880s, Britain was a dominant force, and Greenwich was chosen as prime meridian because of the influence of British maps and navigations. But here's the difference. Greenwich was chosen because of politics, while Ujjain was chosen for its practical natural advantages. Ujjain's location closer to the equator meant it had balanced day and night cycle, making it more logical for time calculation. In many ways, Ujjain's position is more aligned with natural time cycles than Greenwich, which sits at a higher latitude and has more variation in daylight hours throughout the year. Even though Greenwich took over, the legacy of Ujjain's time still lives on. Many Indian calendars today, including the Hindu Panchang, are based on ancient methods developed by Ujjain's astronomers. And beyond calendars, Ujjain's role as time hub reminds us of India's incredible contribution to astronomy and science. Thousands of years ago, Indian scholars were studying in the universe precision creating systems that influence daily life. So, should Ujjain be reconsidered as a global time standard? While Greenwich remains the international standard, the logic behind Ujjain as a time hub is fascinating. It's a reminder that ancient civilizations like India developed systems grounded in natural cycle, geography, and spiritual harmony. Whether we use Greenwich or Ujjain, understanding these ancient timekeeping methods gives us insight into how closely our ancestors lived with nature. And maybe, and just maybe, we can draw inspiration from their wisdom. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new about Ujjain, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you set your watch to Ujjain's time if you could?